Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Nugget coming back with another video for y'all. Well, we put this one up for a vote, like what you guys wanted to see unboxed, and you guys voted for this, the Mad Mike Drift Attack. Mad Mike is a Formula Drift driver that is from New Zealand, I think. I don't know, I'm not sure. He's really good. You gotta be to be on Formula Drift, but it's pretty cool. Like, it's got Rotoform, Pandem, and what else on the side? Toyo tires. That's pretty dope. Like, let's take a good look at this.
Cool.
What does this thing got going on?
Rotoform, Toyo tires.
Is that K&N?
Hot
Really
Wheels.
tiny? Let's see if I can get it to focus.
Yeah, it's focused.
Yeah, hold it still. Looks like K&N and a Pandem. Hot Wheels. Then turn it.
It's really nice.
Yeah, it's got a diffuser in the back. What's
Yeah,
this?
I love the back.
Like, if anybody knows what donor card this is, let us know in the comments. It's got canards in the front, like a vent. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it matches on the other side. Yeah, but yeah, I got a skirt on the side. And it's really nice.
Yeah.
And it was a good pick. It's super wide. It's got this crazy wing on it.
I like it a lot.
Yeah, it looks like a set of rotoforms in the front. It's really cool.
Yeah, the tires are super nice.
Yeah, good pick, guys. Like, it's one of my first cars out of the package ever. I don't usually open any Hot Wheels, but I'm glad it was this one.
Me too.
Alright, until next time, guys. Happy hunting.